We're just going to show the 16-inch wheel Carony fitted in a Volkswagen Golf 5-door. First move is to rotate the seat out of the car by operating this handle, which releases the lock. Then it's a matter of moving the seat round, getting the feet over the floor, over the sill, turn round, and move that round until it clicks into position. And then there's a lever under here which allows us to extend the seat and the rails out of the car such that it can dock with the Carony. This is in two positions. First position, and then we need to be careful to watch the head going through the door here and make sure there's enough clearance. This is quite a low car for this device. So we're reeling up here, feet onto this deck there, and what you'll see is that the idea is to dock this part with these bobbins on here. This is currently too high, so we need to reduce the height of this so that we can dock onto there using this handle. So it's quite easy to turn, but there are a lot of turns to do. It's about right there. Fold that handle back in, and then click into position. Tug test to make sure that it's solidly attached, because we don't want to slide over it and with any risk of that becoming detached. Apply the brake on the Carony, and then use this lever here to slide the whole seat onto here. That lever operates these pins, which is what locks the seat into position on the rails. So I'm just going to move that down and move Alan's feet through here like this in one smooth movement. That's clicked into position there. So now we can operate the rests. And then in order to release the Carony from the car, these two handles allow these to open, and we disconnect smoothly from the car. Apply the brake. So, place this swivel face back into the car, operate this lever, one click, two clicks, then this lever allows us to rotate, and that's now in place in the car. First step is to deploy the anti-tip wheels, which is quite simple on this device. It's just to click down there. In order to release them afterwards, it's like that. But basically both anti-tip wheels down, and then in order to deploy the handles, pull that magnetic catch down, that pulls out on that armrest, that handle moves up into position like that. Similar with this one here, and then we're into position. There's a manual brake there which can be locked into position, and we've also got the brake on the right hand side, which is required for more permanent parking. And then to release this, and we're off. Open the door. Take the seat out of the car like so. It clicks into position. Operate the lever here to the second position so the rails are well outside of the car to give us clearance for the wheels when we reverse in. Now I'll just get my runner's assistant. The best way to do this is to use the armrests to line the seat as best we can. Now we're fairly close there, but we've got a misalignment of the rail and the fork, so we need to raise this so that we have a smooth engagement into there using the handle. This is a matter of judging the best position to be in. Release the brake, and then that's solidly into position. Tug test, brake on, and then operate the seat release handle here, which releases those pins like that. One smooth movement back into the car, watching Alan's head. Sorry, Alan. Are you in there? Nice. Okay. Then we need to undock the Carony using these two handles here to release the clips. Apply the brake, and the lever under here to slide back into the car. Okay, there. And then the handle here to rotate the seat into the car. Making sure the feet go safely over the door sill. And then Alan is nicely seated and off for a spin.